CDK Global has termed the recent cyber attack on its software platform for auto dealerships as a ransom event. In a note to clients on Saturday, CDK acknowledged for the first time that hackers had disabled its dealer management system, DMS, and were demanding a ransom to restore its services. "Thank you for your patience as we recover from the cyber ransom event that occurred on June 19th, CDK stated in a memo to clients. CDK mentioned it has begun restoring its systems and expects the process to take several days, not weeks. The company also warned dealerships to be cautious of phishing scams, where malicious actors pose as CDK to obtain sensitive information like passwords. A CDK spokesperson said it is providing customers with alternate ways to conduct business while its systems remain down. According to Bloomberg, the cybercriminals behind the attack are linked to a group called Black Suit. The hackers reportedly demanded tens of millions of dollars, and CDK planned to pay the ransom. CDK has not publicly identified the group responsible for the attack, which has disrupted car dealerships across the U.S. Companies targeted by ransomware often hesitate to disclose details during ransom negotiations. Cliff Steinhauer, Director of Information Security and Engagement at the National Cybersecurity Alliance, told the Associated Press, "When you see an attack of this kind, it almost always ends up being a ransomware attack. The hack has forced some car dealers to halt operations, while others have resorted to manual processes." Tom Mowley, owner of Celebrity Motor Car Company, said his employees are doing everything manually. Asbury Automotive Group, a Fortune 500 company, stated the attack has adversely impacted its operations, except for its Coon's automotive dealerships, which do not rely on CDK's software. Ransomware attacks are increasing. In 2023, over 2,200 entities, including U.S. hospitals, schools, and governments, were affected by ransomware, according to Emisoft. Some experts believe banning ransom payments might force attackers to shift to less disruptive forms of cybercrime. Earlier this year, the U.S. Department of State offered $10 million for information on the leaders of the Hive ransomware gang, responsible for attacks on over 1,500 institutions in more than 80 countries since 2021, resulting in the theft of over $100 million.